Have you ever wondered why some traders stay calm during market crashes while others panic and lose money? Why do professional traders survive for years while most beginners quit within months? The answer is not because professionals know some secret indicator, it's because they think differently. Professional traders don't try to predict every market move, they don't chase every opportunity, and they don't trade based on emotions. Instead, they follow a process. In this video, you'll learn how professional traders think, how their mindset is different from beginners, and how you can start thinking like a professional trader. Let's begin. Most beginners ask, how much money can I make? Professionals ask, how much money can I lose? This is the biggest difference. Imagine two traders. Trader A sees a stock moving up quickly. He thinks, this stock can make me $10,000. Trader B thinks, if this trade fails, how much can I lose? Trader B is thinking like a professional, because every trade has uncertainty. No setup works 100% of the time. Professional traders know that protecting capital is more important than making profits, because if you lose all your money, you cannot trade tomorrow. Their first priority is survival. Profit comes later. Beginners often think, if I lose, I failed. Professionals think losses are part of the business. Think about a restaurant owner. Some days the restaurant earns more, some days it earns less. But the owner doesn't close the business after one bad day. Trading is the same. Even the world's best traders lose trades regularly. The difference is that they keep losses small. Example, a trader takes 10 trades, wins 5 trades, loses 5 trades. Sounds average, right? But if each winner earns $5,000 and each loser loses only $2,000, profit equals $25,000, loss equals $10,000. Net profit equals $15,000. Professional traders don't aim to avoid losses, they aim to manage them. Beginners often trade based on feelings. I think it will go up. It looks strong. My friend bought it. Professionals don't trade opinions. They trade plans. Before entering a trade, they know entry price, stop loss, target, risk amount. Everything is decided beforehand. Imagine a pilot flying an airplane. Would you trust a pilot who says, I'll figure it out while flying? Of course not. Pilots follow checklists. Professional traders do the same. A trading plan keeps emotions under control. This concept changes everything. Beginners want certainty. Professionals accept uncertainty. A beginner asks, will this trade win? A professional asks, what is the probability of success? Think about a casino. Casinos don't know who will win the next game, but they know that after thousands of games, they have an edge. That edge makes them profitable. Professional traders think exactly like a casino. They don't care about one trade, they care about hundreds of trades, because profits come from consistency, not prediction. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is FOMO, fear of missing out. A stock suddenly jumps 10%. The beginner rushes in. 5 minutes later, the stock falls. Money is lost. Professionals stay patient. They understand that opportunities never stop coming. There will always be another setup tomorrow. Example, imagine a bus leaves without you. Would you run after it for 5 kilometers? No, you wait for the next bus. Professional traders think the same way. They don't chase, they wait. Patience creates profits. This may sound strange, but professional traders don't wake up thinking, today I must make 20,000 rupees, because they know they cannot control profits. They can only control their actions. They focus on following rules, managing risk, and executing setups correctly. The money becomes a result of good decisions. Think about a cricket player. Can a batsman control whether he scores a century today? No, but he can control practice, technique, and discipline. The score follows the process. Trading works exactly the same way.
Markets are emotional. Prices move because people become greedy and fearful. Professionals understand this. They know emotions are dangerous. Greed makes traders take unnecessary risks. Fear makes traders exit good trades too early. Professional traders stay neutral. They don't get overly excited after wins, and they don't become depressed after losses, because both emotions can lead to bad decisions. The goal is consistency, not emotional reactions.
Most beginners don't maintain journals. Professionals journal everything. After each trade, they record why they entered, why they exited, what worked, what went wrong. Imagine a cricket coach reviewing match footage. The purpose isn't to criticize, it's to improve. Trading journals help traders identify mistakes and improve performance over time. Small improvements create huge results. Beginners want quick money. Professionals think in years. Many new traders expect to double their account in 1 month. This mindset often leads to disaster. Professional traders understand that wealth grows gradually. Example, trader A makes 50% in 1 month and loses 60% next month. Trader B makes 3% every month consistently. After a few years, trader B often performs much better. Why? Because consistency beats excitement. Professional traders play the long game. Professional traders know that not trading is also a decision. Many beginners feel they must trade every day. Professionals know that sometimes the best trade is no trade. If the market conditions are unclear, they wait. If their setup isn't present, they wait. If they are emotional, they wait. Patience saves money. Every trade should have a reason, not just boredom. This is perhaps the most important lesson. Beginners treat trading like gambling. Professionals treat trading like a business. A business has rules, risk management, record keeping, long-term goals. A professional trader tracks performance like a business owner. They review numbers, they analyze mistakes, they focus on improvement. Success comes from discipline, not luck. Imagine 2 people planting trees. The first person plants a tree today. The next morning, he checks. No fruit. So he gives up. The second person waters the tree every day. Weeks pass, months pass, years pass. Eventually, the tree produces fruit. Trading is exactly like that. Professional traders understand that success is built through patience, discipline, consistency, and risk management. They don't chase shortcuts, they trust the process, and that's why they survive long enough to become successful. Professional traders don't think, how much can I make today? They think, how much can I risk? Does this trade fit my plan? Am I following my process? Am I thinking long term? The moment you start thinking this way, you stop acting like a gambler and start acting like a professional trader. Remember, amateurs focus on profits, professionals focus on process, and when the process is right, profits eventually follow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading psychology and market wisdom content.